Good morning, traders. Today I want to show you how I made $125 earlier this morning, shortly after the market opened, on a no-brainer price action order flow trade. Let's get to it. Okay, traders, so we're going to go over the 3 trades I took today after 8:30 Central Time in the ES. All right, so the first trade I took was actually a small loser, okay? I was going for a continuation of the down trend. All right, so the market looked like it had reversed. It had a nice little down trend, and I was playing a continuation of that momentum. Now, the first thing I want to show you is the chart. We're going to show you the chart and the price action that I was looking at when I took the short. And then we're going to put up the order flow map. Now, this is a program called Bookmap. And what you're looking at here is you're looking at highlighted areas of the actual orders that were in play in the book. Okay, you're going to see these little bubbles. Some people call them like watermelons. Those are executed trades. All right, those are the executed trades. The highlighted areas were the resting orders. So those were the limit orders that were waiting in the book. And so what I was looking at is there was this nice little line of resting limit orders to the sell side that I thought would support the continuation of this down trend. All right, so price had bounced off of their resistance a few times. I was expecting the market to continue going down at least a little ways, maybe testing the lows of the day, so I went short. Now, shortly after I went short, the market turned around on me, which can happen, and so the buyers took over. They defeated that little block of limit order sellers. And when I saw that happen, I hit the reversal button, a very dangerous button on the Ninjatrader platform. You can get yourself in a lot of trouble with the reversal button, but it looks good to me, so I hit the reversal button on my short play, turned it into a long play, and I took a short scalp out of that. Okay, so after I take my short scalp, things start looking like, well, perhaps we are now in an uptrend that we're going to go test the highs of the day. All right, and so you can see that a little bit in the price action, and we can draw some trend lines here to help you see it. And but what you really need to look at is on the order flow side. Now, I never take a setup. That is not supported by order flow in some way, at least what I perceive as supported by order flow. As we saw earlier in the day, I can get it wrong, of course. All right, so everything's kind of a game of poker. The sellers are setting up to make you think they're going one way, and maybe a seller setting up to make you look like they're going one way, and then they're the ones that are hitting the market buys, right? They could be trying to trick you. So the whole game is a poker game. You're trying to figure out if the limit orders in the book are weak or strong or real or tricksters. So there's a lot of poker match going on, okay? But I want you to take a look at this order flow. So now I'm biased to the upside, all right? And the order flow just was, at this point, a no-brainer. It was too big, it's setting up too nicely, it's working with price action off the trend lines, and it was just something I couldn't pass up. Now, by no-brainer, I mean I have to take the trade because the setup's too good. I don't mean it's guaranteed to work out, okay? Nothing in trading is guaranteed to work out. But in this situation, it worked out. We went to the high side. This made up for, I think after the second trade, I was still down $12 from my first trade because my scalp was too small on the winner to make up for the loser. So I'm still down like 12 bucks, but we hit a 1 point first target and then a 3-tick second target. I was going for 2 full points, but then the order flow, and I'll show you this, started kind of setting up against me a little bit. I could have pulled out a few more ticks for sure. but I don't feel bad about it because the market reversed quite a bit shortly after I got out. Now what we're seeing with why I got out, if you look at the order flow chart again in Bookmap, there is a very long sustained line of limit orders that have been in there a long time. Now when this has been in there a long time, and this is the power of Bookmap, it doesn't just show you the orders in the book, it shows you how long they've been there. And if somebody has been sitting there for quite some time, if some big players have been sitting there for a long time, it often means that they are serious, all right? It doesn't mean they're gonna win, but it means they're serious. And so at best, I thought that we were going to get a pullback, okay? And I didn't want to deal with a pullback. I wanted to take my money and run. I was basically done for the day, so that's what I did. Now, they were serious enough that it basically started a reverse trend and has gone down quite a bit. So that is it for the day. Take a look at some of my other videos. All right, I'm gonna have a couple of those options displayed here. And if you don't want to watch a video, just do me a favor, just hit the like button, and then I'll continue on this trading journey. I'm still working my way back to break even in the trader challenge. I'm taking that with Earn to Trade. I'll put a link to Earn to Trade below if you guys want to check them out. I'm almost back to break even there, and then hopefully we'll go beyond and make some money. All right, traders, that's it. I'm out.